The Oregon Heritage Commission is pleased to present a 2026 Oregon Heritage Excellence Award to Rob McIntyre. Rob McIntyre's dedication has been central to the preservation and restoration of Athena, Oregon's historic Gem Theater and Star Saloon, a landmark whose story dates back to 1901. Originally built as competing saloons and converted to a movie house in 1908, the building served the community until 1968, before standing vacant for nearly 50 years. In 2006, Rob became a founding board member of Athena's Gem Inc., committing himself to a vision that would span 2 decades. Balancing a full-time career as Athena High School's music teacher and band director, Rob led research, volunteer coordination, fundraising, and long-term planning. He played a hands-on role in preserving and reintroducing historic features, from rewired 1904 chandeliers to a restored mahogany bar and a 1921 Wurlitzer pipe organ transported from Austin, Texas. He ensured the Star Saloon was preserved not as an auxiliary space, but as an authentic reflection of Athena's early social and commercial life. The saloon now serves as both theater foyer and home to a permanent exhibit celebrating the town's industrial heritage. Rob's approach centered on community. Over 400 volunteers contributed more than 65,000 hours, half of them students, whom he mentored in hands-on preservation. Weekly work parties and shared meals strengthened bonds and fostered multi-generational participation. He secured grants and donations totaling approximately $2.5 million, overcoming the financial and logistical challenges of a rural project with extraordinary persistence. In 2025, the Gem Theater and Star Saloon reopened to the public, now functioning as a performing arts venue, heritage museum, and community gathering space. Rob's vision, integrating historic authenticity, education, and civic engagement, transformed a long-neglected building into a vibrant cultural hub, inspiring volunteers and preservationists across the region. Rob McIntyre exemplifies the power of sustained leadership, creativity, and devotion to community heritage. Through his vision, skill, and tireless dedication, he has ensured that Athena's Gem Theater and Star Saloon will continue to educate, entertain, and inspire generations to come.